So the police got this. Don't know who from. Full throttle! Let's get to 50! 50 miles per hour! What's going on, guys, and welcome to the new dirt bike we got on the channel. This is a 2015 125 WR Yamaha. It looks just like the YZ250. It's actually bigger than the YZ250. Now, the reason why we got this on the channel is because the YZ250, we couldn't ride it anywhere because it's not road legal. It's a police repossession. Don't know where from, but I do know it's from down south. They put it on auction and we made the bid and we won it. Comes with the key. No more jump starting now like the YZ250. We were dying on that. With this is where we're truly going to learn the skill. I'm going to start it up right now. It's on neutral. It says oil. That's the first thing that comes up. It's low on fuel. Best thing about it, just got to put the leaded in there. We've got some V-power. There we go. There we go, we're on. This has got 13,000 on the clock, running fine. Disc brakes are decent, brake pads are decent. Got some tread on the tyres. They're quite reliable in terms of road use. You can daily drive them. Sick headlights on there. Some back brakes on there. Look at that. It looks in really good condition. The suspension decent as well. I don't have to do anything. I could just literally jump on and ride it. That's a horn, I believe. We're gonna let it warm up a bit. Another thing about it, it's got a stand. I could stand alone, bro. What the heck? Got the petrol. That's so heavy this is. Let's do a bicep workout. There ain't dirt in there. Wobbly wobbly. V-power. The stickers on this, don't touch my bike. Touched it now. What I really want to do to this dirt bike, tell you guys now, is I want to black it out. A place behind the pines. Got the leaf on there. Monster. That means 666 in Hebrew. Oh no. Oh. Drink. Chug. Clutch in. First gear drop. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Whoa. Whoa. This feels weird, this does. What the hell? Wow, man, this bike is rapid. Full throttle! Let's go! Need a bigger space. Voila! They expect it to be so much fun. Compared to the YZ250, I understood what people meant by the power band. I still feel like it's quick. You can see like the way it's just spinning the wheels in the back. I can't even describe to you how excited I am right now. What the heck? Oh gosh. Oh my god, these bikes are heavy. What the? 3, 2, 1, go! And I'm on the road! 20 miles per hour! Yes! Thank you! Let's go! This is so sick! Oh man! I can't believe this! Oh my god, it feels like I'm flying!
Flying! Jack!
27 miles per hour! Let's hit 30 miles per hour! Let's go! 30 miles per hour! This thing is fast! 40 miles per hour! Yo, man! This is something else! Oh man, no, you can't go. Sorry, bro. Yeah, let's just go. This is just crazy, man. 30 miles per hour. Let's go 4th gear. Boom! 4th gear, let's go. 40 miles per hour. I'm gonna break the speed limit. This is so fun. Alhamdulillah. I dropped the gear to 3rd gear. Boom! Wow, that was a jump. Place behind the pines. I'm gonna roll my bank. This is just something else. Oh! Wait, let's get to 50! Bismillah! 50 miles per hour! Better than the skyline this is. Let's just keep going. 4th gear, 40 miles per hour. coming! Whoa! I don't know what gear I'm in right now. Second gear. I gotta give it to all the bike riders out there now. I gotta give it. This is something else. I can't describe. I can't get this fun in a car ever. Okay. Oh my god. What an absolute noob. I can't even get my feet out. I couldn't get the biting point, that's what happened. Boom, red line. Okay, the turn coming. Let's see if I can take these turns a bit quicker. $30 miles per hour. Yeah, we'll take it easy. Back at the HQ now. I don't know what happened to my GoPro. It just suddenly just crashed. When we got back, just had a moment to like appreciate and just experience the ride. Is just something else at the moment. What a blast that was. Mitsubishi L200. Hopefully we could do something dirt related with a dirt bike and dirt truck. Thank you very much for the support.